Hey there, future property moguls and investment enthusiasts. Welcome back to Panama Property Guru. And today we're delving into a topic that's all about maximizing your returns. Turning property into profit in Panama. If you've ever dreamt of not just owning property, but making it work for you, you're in for a treat. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's explore the strategies to turn property into profit in Panama. Turning property into profit isn't just a real estate strategy. It's a smart financial move. Let's break down the steps to make your property a true asset. First up, consider rental income. Panama's growing tourism industry and expatriate community create a ripe environment for rental properties. Whether it's a vacation home, a city apartment, or a cozy cabin, renting out your property can generate a steady stream of income. Diversify your portfolio. Beyond traditional residential properties, explore commercial opportunities. From office spaces to retail outlets, Panama's economic growth presents various options to capitalize on commercial real estate and boost your profit potential. Think about short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb have gained popularity, offering property owners the chance to earn additional income through short-term rentals. Panama's diverse landscapes attract tourists year-round, making short-term rentals a lucrative option. There you have it, a guide to turning property into profit in Panama. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in to Panama Property Guru. Until next time, happy property profiting, happy investing, and we'll catch you in the next video.